Coming to next, if you help someone because you feel guilty, then it's not true moral action, right? You should help because you are feeling happy, because the right thing to do, not because the society is saying, right? So we should not, hurt someone, we should not say something bad to other people because it's the wrong thing, right? This should be the like generalized definition of it. We should not, it should not be the definition like we are not doing these things, we are not doing such negative things because society says so, or there are certain rules and regulations which are against it, right? This should not be the concept according to the Kant, right? Now, if you help someone because it is the right thing, that this is Kantian autonomy, right? Then for Kant, morality comes from reason, not influence. There should be some reasoning to it, right? So it should not come from influence. Just because my friend is doing it, I will also do it. Just because my friend is not doing it, I will not also do it. So this should not be the reason. Influence should not be the reason. Society should not tell you. This world should not tell you. Rules and regulations should not tell you, right? This should come from your own reasoning. This is what Kant is saying. So a person is responsible only when they understand what they are doing and they choose it freely without pressurizing or without being forced, right? So their choice is based on rational thinking, on duty, right? What they are doing. So freedom plus reason is what? Responsibility. This is what Kant's theory is. You should make these pointers, right? If you will make these pointers such like these, then they'll help you to gain marks. Because examiner also wants to check so many copies, right? They also want to check it quickly. So if you are coming with these keywords, if you are summarizing this theory, right, in such a way, then I can guarantee you that you can score marks. Because like it explains that you have the understanding of the philosophy, understanding of his theory, his ideology, and the rest will do your examples, and rest will do your attaching it with the modern thinking, right?